Okay, so grade 6, yesterday we saw a video and we also have seen the stages of meiosis 1 and meiosis 2.
Sure.
In meiosis 1, as I told you all to remember, I told you to remember PMAT. P prophase, M metaphase, A anaphase, and T telophase. So prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. I told you here the nucleus divide. Then each nucleus again undergoes same thing. Prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. And again divide in same way. So finally we get 4 haploid sex cells. Understood? We get 4 haploid sex cells. This is what we have learned in our last class. Now today, if I ask you, compare, this is very important, compare between meiosis and mitosis. First thing, how many nucleus you get in meiosis? 4. And in mitosis? 2. Am I correct?
Yeah.
All right, I get, the answers are here on that nuclear division is 2 times in meiosis, that is 4 nucleus. And here it is only 1 times. Cells produce, in meiosis, there are 4 cells produced. In mitosis, how many cells are produced?
2.
2. Chromosomes are haploid. They are called as haploid in meiosis, diploid in mitosis. Sex cell you get in meiosis, body cell you get in mitosis. Prophase 1, metaphase 1. These are the steps for meiosis. You have 1 and 2.
Miss, the meiosis, the nuclear division, the meiosis is 2, and the mitosis is 1. And
I will
the
write for you. Listen to me. This one you have 2 times they divide, right? First one,
yeah,
first phase, second one in second. Here there is only 1 time.
1.
And how many cells were there? Finally, you get 4 cells.
4.
And here you get 2 cells.
2.
What is the number of chromosomes? Haploid or diploid? These are called as haploid.
Right.
And I'm so sorry, here haploid. And here, what is it called as?
Diploid.
Diploid. And here next, type of cell. This one is sex cells.
This one is body cell.
And mitosis is body cell.
Body cell.
Like my nails, my hair. Those are body cells. Those are not sex cells. And they undergo mitosis. Step.
Yes, the body cell is like the hair and the nail, right? Like hair and nail, the body cell.
Yes.
And the sex cell is like what?
You have ovule, you have sperm cell, and you have egg cell.
Oh.
In the ovary. See, this is for mitosis. Right?
Yeah.
Now for meiosis, same thing. I'm going to write here. But I need to put prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. Coming down, same thing again we have. But we haven't 2. It will write prophase 2,
You're in
phase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. Did you understand perfectly?
So mitosis, the prophase is 2.
Meiosis. This is
the meiosis is 2, right?
Yes, we have 2 phases. That is first phase and second phase.
Second phase.
Understood?
Miss, so in the meiosis, the prophase is 2 and the metaphase 2.
Yes,
and
everything is 2. Yes, all of them are there. Okay, I just wanted to briefly make you understand this. Lean, did you understand? Hello, Lean?
You're mute.
But maybe she's not around. Anyways. Next is Down syndrome. You remember how many I told you have chromosomes?
46.
And what are the pair?
23.
Okay. Now let me read this. Down syndrome is genetic disease. It is usually caused by an error during meiosis. During meiosis, the chromatids of the chromosome 21 do not separate. So a sex cell during the phase, 21 chromosome, they do not separate. So a sex cell gets 2 copies of chromosome, 21 instead of 1 copy. Instead of 1 copy, they get 2 copy. When this sex cell joins with a normal egg or sperm, the fertilized egg has 3 copies instead of 2 copies. Anyways, for your grade, you must know that number of chromosomes are not the same. Number of chromosomes are not the same.
Not the same.
Yes, someone who has Down syndrome has 3 copies chromosome 21. Normally, see, how many copies we have? We have 2 copies, right?
Yeah.
From the mother. They they will have 3 copies. 1 comes extra. And that is why is born with this disease called as Down syndrome. How do they look like? See, do you know this face? Have you seen these faces in your life?
Yeah.
Yeah, easily. When you look at them, you know that there is something wrong with this. He's not okay. He's not normal, or she's not normal.
Yeah. They say like the people
They
say
are
that
alive. Listen to me. They are alive. They can do many things, but with the brain or with. I will show you a video now. I wanted to show this video.
they didn't become tired when they do this.
No. But they are from their age. They are smaller. They don't do like things like of their age. I will show you. They can swim.
Yes, people said that they can't be alive till
No. It's not about, see, of course, it will affect some of them, but it's not that they will die fast. We will see now in the video. Okay,
So some people like
listen to me. Listen to me. Down syndrome causes a number of health problems, learning difficulties. They don't learn fast. Okay, but some of them, they have fulfilling lives. Like if the parent is taking extra care, maybe they don't have that much of learning difficulty. All right, we will see a video now. I'll play a video now, and you can see what happens. I want to show you a video for the Down syndrome.
Welcome back. Today we'll be talking about Down syndrome using a mnemonic. Now granted, this mnemonic is a little long, but I like it so much because it contains pretty much everything that you need to know.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
The mnemonic is Down child has problems. D for duodenal atresia, which presents as double bubble sign. And I'll show you how that, because Down syndrome.
Girls, I think so. This one has.
C in the word child stands for congenital heart.
This tough one you will not understand. I will show you with something else.
General contractor. I do marketing and sales for a commercial GC here in Denver.
Oh, my name is Andrea Ritz, and I'm a stay-at-home mom presently, and I'm thinking about
At the bar and
Sarah had a G-tube and would eventually need a sleep.
well, every day. It's an
degree of developmental delays. These delays can range in severity from mild to moderate. Some of the underlying areas that are affected in development are poor muscle tone, which is affecting strength and endurance, broad, short hands with relatively short fingers, which decreases coordination for both gross motor and fine motor activities. Also, these patients tend to have decreased sensory processing, which impacts successful participation in all environments. Individuals with the diagnosis of Down syndrome benefit from occupational therapy intervention to promote appropriate sensory, motor, and cognitive activities, with the overall goal to help these children develop motor skills, language skills, social skills, and self-help skills that encourage the highest level of function. The following patient is using an obstacle course in this treatment session to facilitate basic sequencing, direction following, gross motor coordination, and functional strength and endurance. Oftentimes, the obstacle course will incorporate movement such as spinning, as in this treatment, to increase the child's sensory arousal level, which in turn increases the patient's personal motivation to participate. Incorporating more learning type tasks, such as a puzzle or a writing skill, is one way to break up a difficult task with more fun activities, which increases the child's ability to learn new skills. Even though a child may need coaxing, you will notice personal patient satisfaction in the completion of difficult tasks. Using visual stimulating toys such as a spinner are great ways to enhance coordination and strength of thumb muscles. Using fun tongs to pick up small items addresses visual motor integration and hand strength. Functional strength and coordination of thumbs and hands are needed to facilitate participation in fine motor activities such as cutting, writing, dressing, and feeding oneself with a spoon and/or a fork. Use of a puzzle to facilitate visual perceptual skills, visual orientation, in-hand manipulation, and playing at midline are all skills required for coloring and writing tasks. This puzzle is a nice warm-up for visual attention to increase success for the next task. This writing task utilizes tactile cues, such as the raised borders, to increase visual awareness for borders and outlines. And this increases patients' independence for tracing and copying shapes. I want to
bounce on ball. I want bounce on ball.
And then press that.
I want bounce on ball.
Okay, do you want to get the ball to bounce on?
Yeah.
Oh, let's get that. It's over here. Delays in language skills.
See, do you see how they have to work hard for that? They have to bring their language skills, their communication skills with to socialize themselves.
And they have not.
Even they say the size of the hands are short, so they need to develop the motor skills and the muscles and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what you can see in the video here, and this was about the Down syndrome. And now we are finished with the lesson and coming here. Meiosis 1, you will write the steps prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. I ask you about meiosis 2, you will say, tell me, Malak.
Meiosis 2 is
Prophase 2, PMAT, come on.
Who's gonna say it?
Let Malak try.
Okay. Sexual and excel.
No, my dear, that is here. I'm saying the phases. PMAT. P for prophase 2. Come on.
P for prophase and C for
PMAT. M for prophase 2. See, I will write for you. Malak, I'll write for you here. First was P, second was M, then A, then T. What is P? Prophase. What is M?
Metaphase.
Metaphase. Let her say. What is E? A?
E is
Sorry, A.
A.
Anna. Remember, see Malaka,
Anna
I'm working hard with you all so that you don't have to learn at home. Remember, P pro, M meta, A Anna, and T telophase. Prophase 1. Prophase, this is 2. So prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. Understood, dear Malak? These are the phases.
Yeah.
Ask you the steps. These are the steps. Now coming to sex cell produced by male. What are they called, Malak? Sex cell. What are they called? What is the name of the sex cell?
The sex cell is made by a male.
Okay, what is the name of sex cell? Male. Come on, tell me 2 letters.
Sprite cells.
Sperm cells. Sperm. The name is sperm. And for Vatin, tell me female, what is it? Very good. Egg cell from. Now coming here. Lean. During what time the nucleus divide 2 times? Meiosis or mitosis?
What?
During dash, chromosomes are copied once and the nucleus gives you 2. During which mitosis or meiosis, where do you have 2 nucleus?
In the
Mitosis, you have 2. In meiosis, you have?
1.
No, you are correct because they wrote nucleus.
Meiosis.
This is meiosis, correct. Because it divides twice. They did not say you, they say you how many times it divides. That means it divides twice, correct. And where it divides once, in mitosis, it divides 1. Okay? Okay, girls?
Yeah.
Anyways, I have sent you the answers in the group. Now coming to this question. Dash chromosomes are found in body cells, but not sex cells. What chromosomes are found in body cells, but not sex cells? What is
Mitosis?
No, the name of the chromosomes. Homologous. What? Homologous. Because homologous is exactly the same. It is the identical copy. Homologous. The process of dash are haploid. Haploid, meiosis or mitosis, girls? Haploid.
The haploid meiosis.
Very good. Anyways, girls, then we have, egg cell and sperm cell gives you which kind of cell? Zygote.
What?
Egg cell and sperm cell gives you zygote.
Zygote.
By what process does this cell from? Meiosis. How many chromosomes does a body cell for the organism shown have? How many chromosomes we have, girls?
46 and pair 23.
Yes, but here with this we have only they have shown here
46.
1 inside. No. Each
23.
cell, see, one sex cell will produce 4. Am I correct? But if I say one body cell will produce how many chromosomes?
2.
2. Very good. 2 chromosomes. That's it. Yeah. Next. That's it for today, girls. Okay. Take care and have a nice day. Any questions?